Eto ha, look ha. The box looks intact, pero there's butas here. Kaya lang, supported naman na with tape, oh. And then, obviously, itong ano na to, supposed to be nasa labas, pero it's within the tape. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, sila na nagkabit nitong tape dito. That's the butas there, oh. Can you see? Can you see? The butas is there. But I don't think the rubber shoes will come out from this butas. It's too small for the rubber shoes. So, ang duda ko, they could have, pero hindi rin kasi intact rin itong ano eh. Kung, yeah. Hindi. Yan. Wala namang ibang...
Posibleng sa ilalim.
This,
natin.
hindi, kasi nilagyan din ni MM ng ano sa ilalim. Ayun, oh, nagkalat yung chocolates. Kasi, yan lang, bukod tanging rubber shoes. That's for Tishan. May ano. And then ito, I think this is for Lilibel. Kasi this is a small one.
Tsaka yung kay Nika na yun lang.
Yung kay Nika na shoes. Yun. And then, ayan. 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 And the choco and the, what's that? Chocolate and sabon. Yun, yung kay Mami. Nandoon.